Senior doctors are currently holding crisis talks with Health Minister Springborg. They've threatened mass resignations over new public hospital contracts. But the acting Premier has accused them of using union activists to boost numbers at a protest meeting. Leonie Mellor reports.
The Premier left for the US, confident his government's dispute with doctors would soon be settled.
I know at the end of the day we'll sort out this issue.
But it didn't look promising last night, with 900 senior medical staff railing against individual contracts.
Up in Cairns, it's 90% of people are prepared to resign.
There's a sense of moral outrage amongst us. We are not going to give in to this threat.
In the room and down the stairs, an estimated 15,000 years of medical experience.
15,000 years. And if we look at our government, Mr Newman became an MP 12 months ago. That means in medical terms, Mr Newman is an intern.
There was a show of hands against Springborg.
That is a unanimous vote of no confidence in the Health Minister.
But he wasn't there.
If he's so confident of his position and we are so dumb at reading contracts, where is the Minister? Where is the Premier?
The acting Premier questioned the meeting's integrity.
About whether all of those people were actually doctors. I think there was quite a number of union activists involved.
David and Peter Bizzell are the human faces of the dispute, double lung transplant twins who take 70 tablets a day to stay alive. They met Mr Springborg to voice their fears.
If they stop up our medication, we're dead. That's bottom line.
The Minister tabled a letter from Visiting Medical Officer Chair and former Liberal Party Vice President Ross Cartmill endorsing the VMO contracts.
People should look at what is actually on offer, not what they've actually been told is on offer, because listening is a two-way thing.
His plea to the doctors.
And Leonie Mellor joins us now from Parliament House. Leonie, how are the doctors expected to answer that plea from the Minister?
Well, very clearly, Karina, with a plea of their own. Please listen to what we're saying and take our concerns seriously. Now, the three senior doctors that arrived here tonight, the head of the AMA, the AMAQ and Professor John Fraser, who organised last night's meeting, are here at the invitation of the Minister. They'll be putting forward the issues raised at last night's meeting and warning very strongly of the potential consequences, as in resignations, if changes aren't made. Now, the Minister has repeatedly said that he's very happy to listen but has no intention of reopening formal negotiations.
And how have the doctors reacted to Jeff Seeney's comments about union activists at last night's meeting?
Well, the doctors I've spoken to today are furious. Professor Fraser has come armed with the 900 signatures from last night to prove his point. Here's what he had to say as he arrived a short time ago.
It really is below the belt to not turn up to a meeting, not reply to an invitation, and then make false accusations, when that's exactly why we collected the signatures.
So a group who are traditionally strong supporters of the Conservative government are clearly unhappy with this issue with the current administration. Karina?